How much money do you have in your pocket right now? Just a few dollars? What if I say that I have some special technique that's gonna make you a millionaire? No, no, no. I'm not kidding. Let me tell you how. Before we start our video, hey guys, welcome back to my channel where you will learn surprising money-making methods. Today I have a special strategy. You are gonna love this method because you don't have to shed a single drop of sweat to make dollars. So if you are enjoying this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and push the bell icon too for more money-making strategies. So let's get started. You just need to have a laptop or smartphone or PC. Open your internet browser and type Amazon Mechanical Turk in the Google search engine. When we think about Amazon, an online shopping app pops up in our minds, but Amazon offers some other services too. Amazon Mechanical Turk is a crowdsourcing marketplace that renders it simpler for people and businesses to outsource their procedures and jobs to a distributed workforce who can complete these tasks. And these tasks would be super easy. Believe me, you don't need any degree for that. Also, you don't have to spend a single dollar. And you can easily withdraw your amount through your PayPal account. Watch this video till the end and I'll share a bonus trick with you which will help you to make more and more money. Sign up for a new account by clicking Sign in as a worker and then click on Create a new account. You will get a confirmation code on your Gmail. Open up your Gmail and confirm your account. Now you have to register yourself by adding your necessary information, including your name, country, city, address, province, and zip code. You can easily Google your city's zip code. Register your account, but remember that Amazon Mechanical Turk will approve your account within 48 hours. After you get your account approved, click on Hits on the top navigation bar, and you will have a number of jobs. They have mentioned how much they are paying on multiple mini-tasks. You can preview these tasks, and if you want to complete that task, just click on the Accept and Work button, and you will get paid after completing these tasks. Here's a bonus trick if you want more money. Click on Filter in the upper right corner and go to Sort By and select Creation Date Newest. The more mini-tasks you perform, the more you will get paid. I would suggest you read the task carefully because in order to get paid, you have to provide quality work. And if you provide them the stuff they didn't demand, you won't get money. This is not difficult, but you just need to be careful. That's all for today. If you find this video helpful, give it a big thumbs up and share it with your friends. See you soon. Take care.